Imagine stepping into a world, alive with 1,000 shades of green, the rainforest. Sunlight barely reaches the ground, filtered through a dense canopy teeming with life. Every inch is alive. Insects buzz, monkeys call, and exotic birds cry out. Water drips from leaves and hangs in the air, nurturing everything from towering trees to tiny fungi. These forests are ancient, powerful, and breathtakingly complex. Rainforests are living libraries, holding secrets of millions of years of evolution. Brightly colored frogs, butterflies like stained glass, and elusive jaguars all call this place home. The biodiversity here is unmatched. New species are discovered all the time. But rainforests are more than beautiful. They are vital to our planet's health. They provide clean air, fresh water, and resources that sustain human life. The world's green heart beats here, affecting us all, no matter where we live. Our stories are intertwined with these forests. Their future is our future. As we explore these verdant worlds, remember, we are part of their story. Protecting rainforests means protecting ourselves. Their fate and ours are deeply connected. Rainforests are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They regulate the Earth's water cycle, creating clouds and rainfall that nourish faraway lands. When forests are lost, weather patterns shift, and droughts and floods become more common. Over half of the world's species live here, even though rainforests cover only a small part of the Earth. For countless animals and plants, these forests are everything: food, shelter, and life itself. Indigenous communities have thrived here for centuries, holding deep knowledge of the land. Rainforests provide medicines, foods, and inspiration for people everywhere. Protecting them preserves not just nature, but human culture and future resources. Saving rainforests is about saving life in all its forms. The Amazon, Earth's largest rainforest, is a vast ocean of green spanning 9 countries. The Amazon River and its tributaries flow like veins, bringing life to every corner. The forest buzzes with insects, monkeys, jaguars, and river dolphins. Towering trees, orchids, and giant water lilies fill every space with life, much still unknown to science. The Amazon's moisture creates flying rivers in the sky, carrying rain to distant lands and feeding millions. Its health affects weather and food security far beyond its borders. But the Amazon is changing. Deforestation and development threaten its future. Indigenous peoples have lived here for generations, but now face encroachment and loss. Chainsaws and roads are replacing the sounds of wildlife. The Amazon stands at a tipping point. Its fate will shape our world. In Costa Rica, cloud forests rise into the mist, draped in moss and orchids. Here, resplendent quetzals and dozens of hummingbird species thrive among ancient trees. Sloths and poison dart frogs add to the vibrant tapestry of life. Costa Rica protects over a quarter of its land, leading the world in conservation and ecotourism. The philosophy of pura vida, pure life, reflects a deep respect for nature. This commitment shows that protecting rainforests can benefit both people and wildlife. Costa Rica is proof that conservation and prosperity can go hand in hand. Tasmania's temperate rainforests are a window to the ancient world of Gondwana. Towering Myrtle Beach and 1,000-year-old Huon pines dominate these cool, mossy forests. Unique creatures like the Tasmanian devil and platypus live here, found nowhere else. Fallen Huon pines preserve history for millennia, offering scientists a glimpse into the past. The forest's silence is broken only by streams and the rustle of wallabies. Once valued only for timber, these forests are now recognized for their ecological and historical importance. Fierce debates continue over their future, highlighting the challenge of balancing economy and preservation. Protecting these ancient giants is a race against time. Rainforests face grave danger. Deforestation is their greatest threat. Forests are cleared for agriculture, logging and mining, pushing ecosystems to collapse. Loss of trees disrupts water cycles, causes soil erosion, and accelerates climate change. Wildlife loses its home. Many species face extinction. Indigenous peoples are displaced, their cultures and knowledge disappearing with the trees. The destruction of rainforests is fueling a mass extinction event. We risk losing not just animals, but wisdom about living sustainably. The consequences are global, affecting climate, biodiversity, and human survival. Saving rainforests is urgent. The cost of inaction is irreversible. There is still hope. People worldwide are fighting to protect rainforests. Our choices matter. Support sustainable products, conservation groups, and strong environmental laws. Education is key. Sharing rainforest stories inspires new guardians. Responsible ecotourism brings income to local communities and creates ambassadors for conservation. Rainforests are a living testament to life's beauty and resilience. Protecting them is a moral responsibility and a promise to future generations. The future of these magical worlds is in our hands. Let's ensure their symphony of life continues for centuries to come.